Okay, now while this is cooking for about another 5 minutes, you're going to add about, I don't know, figure about 2 tablespoons of raw honey. Alright, you could add more if you want, depends on how sweet you want it, but this is going to add some richness and sweetness to this delicious dish. A lot of people don't like the bitterness of eggplants. And if you want it more sweet, less bitter, which I don't think is bitter at all. I love the taste of eggplant. But if you want it less bitter, peel the eggplant before you cook it. And that'll take pretty much all the bitterness out of the eggplant. Eggplant will itself will absorb all flavors. It's sort of like a mushroom. The consistency, it's mostly water inside, that's why. And cook the water out of it. When you bake it in the oven, what it'll do is it'll absorb like a sponge all the other flavors in the pan. So all your spices, your salt, your pepper, your hot pepper, your vinegar, your wine, all of it will be absorbed into the eggplant itself. And then, like I said, after this, you let it cook 5 minutes on a low heat so the eggplant can absorb all the flavors. And then you're going to take it off the heat and let it cool and garnish it. And we'll serve that up in a little while.